speech processor test device shows if your RONDO2 is working correctly or not. Switch on your RONDO2. Place the flat side of RONDO2 under the speech processor test device. Speak into the microphone. The indicator light should flicker to the rhythm of your voice. If the indicator light doesn't flicker, adjust the volume of your voice. If it still doesn't flicker, completely charge your processor. Switch it on, then speak into the microphone again. If your RONDO2 still isn't working, or for immediate assistance, contact your CI center.